and welcome back to my channel. And we are going to the new place in Kolkata, that is the Indian Aircraft Museum. This is the second Indian Aircraft Museum that is located in Rajarhat, just beside Vishwa Bangla. And before we reach that place, let me tell you, I am going through the backside of Eco Park. This is a lovely place to hang out, and one of my favorite place in Kolkata as well. So now let's talk about the details. So this Indian Aircraft Museum is situated at 2.2 acre land given by HITCO, and the entire project cost was 10 crore. So it's a real aircraft that served in Kargil, and this aircraft has been brought in 16 trucks and was rebuilt in Kolkata for a museum purpose. So now people can go. So I have reached the Vishwa Bangla Gate. I'll take the left side from there, and opposite I have reached the aircraft museum. So the ticket is 30 rupees, and the timings are mentioned here. It's a 30-year-old aircraft, served Indian Navy. So here is Tupolev 142, which is a Russian build. This is maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine aircraft. That means it can go into enemy line, can get all the information it requires, and also can detect submarine underwater. It's a beautiful piece of history that Kolkata has brought. It's an actual aircraft used in Kargil. Let's go inside and see what we have inside of this aircraft.
Make the ground shake.